Hello students, today I am going to take up lesson 11 of English language articles. What are articles? Articles are the words used to indicate whether noun used in a sentence is specific or general. There are two types of articles, indefinite articles and definite article. A and N are indefinite articles and are used to modify non-specific singular nouns. As he met a doctor yesterday. In this sentence, the article A is indicating a non-particular doctor. I saw a child in the park. I need an umbrella. In these examples also, child and umbrella are not particular. They are not specified. It can be any child or any umbrella. The choice between A and N is determined by the sound produced while pronouncing the word. A is used before the nouns which produce a consonant sound, whether they begin with a consonant or with a vowel, as a boy, a cake, a mango, a unicorn. Here, boy, cake and mango, all the three are beginning with a consonant and are producing a consonant sound. But the unicorn is beginning with a vowel U, but it produces the sound of a consonant, that is U. So A will be used before unicorn also. Now N. N is used before the nouns that produce the vowel sound, whether they begin with a vowel or with a consonant, as an enemy, an orange, an apple, and honest. Here the words enemy, orange, and apple, all the three are beginning with a vowel and are producing the vowel sound, while the word honest is beginning with the consonant H, but it produces the vowel sound of O while pronouncing it. So N will be used before honest. Now definite article. The is definite article and is used when we speak of a particular person or a thing. As the boy in the blue shirt is running. Here we are speaking of that particular boy who is in blue shirt. We will take another example here. Let us go to the park. Here also we are talking about a particular park, not any park. Now, where to use article the? We use article the when a singular noun represents a whole class. As the cow is a useful animal. The cow means all the cows. The rose smells sweet. The rose means all the roses. So here the is representing the whole class of cow and rose. The is used before the names of rivers, oceans, deserts, mountains, monuments, newspapers, trains, and ships. Before the names of unique things, as the sun, the moon, the sky, etc. Before the names of the epics, the Ramayana, the Vedas, the Puranas, etc. Before the superlative degree of an adjective, as the last, the first, the best, etc. Now, omission of article, where we should not use article the. We should not use article the before the names of people, cities, countries, ideas, and quality. But at some places we use article the before the names of some countries. These are the names of those countries which consist the words states, republic, kingdom, united with their names. This shows that they are the groups of states. Hence, take article the before their names. For example, the United States, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, the Maldives, etc.